for my date. Come in. Hey. You're looking hot today.
You're not looking too bad yourself.
Ah. Oh. What's up with this rat's nest?
It's called hair.
Man, this is a rat's nest right here, girl.
Wow.
Girl, what have you been using, girl?
Just moose.
Moose, girl? No, I ain't moose now. Girl, no moose. You can't use moose, you gotta use back to plastic right here. It's better than moose.
Let me see.
You might have it, girl. Girl, you looking good, man. Beautiful, girl.
Damn right. Oh my god, I gotta go show my mother. Let me go put a window. Ooh, it smells so sunflowery. I'm gonna go show my mom.
Don't you just love my hair? Because you know what I use? Back in Basic. Since I use this stuff, all the boys want me. I'm telling you, it's a charmer. Ching! Ching! Yeah.
Back to Basic. It comes in flavors: sunflower, chocolate, raspberry, vanilla. Batteries not included. Come get your Back to Basic. Have a nice day.
Toodles!
Toodles!